Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. Now that we have our paper flowers all made and done, now what do we do with them? So here's a quick tip for you on how to gift your paper flowers or how to make more use of them. So as you see here, I'm going to be adding the paper leaves to our paper flowers. And I usually do this on the back since you don't see it as much. And in this case, we're not only going to be putting the paper leaves in the back, but we're going to be adding a magnet. So by adding a magnet to the back of the flower, we're able to use this and position it in various locations. So as a crafter, I do like to serve multi-purpose for all of my crafts. So here I'm creating this paper flower, and by adding that magnet, I'm allowing the recipient to be able to remove it from either the gift box or the frame or the bag and place it on their refrigerator or another magnetic surface. So as you see here, I'm using a magnet and hot gluing it on to the back of the paper flower. I do recommend using a magnet with a good strength on it. The clay or the kid magnets might not be as strong since the paper flower does have some weight. We want to make sure that it is able to carry that paper flower. So I have the magnet attached here, and one of the options you have for using it is getting your gift box. So here I have a pre-made gift box. I've added some ribbon on there, and by placing it over the ribbon, I'm able to use another magnet and placing that other magnet underneath the ribbon and attaching the flower to the box. And by doing this, again, we are creating another purpose for the paper flower. We're adding a nice, beautiful decoration and accent to the gift box. And so it has a really nice presentation. In case you are not using a gift box, we do have another option. I know that you like to give people handmade items. And so by looking in places, different stores, you're able to find wooden frames that are empty that can serve as a base, and I'll show you an example here. So we're going to use this same paper flower, getting this wooden frame that I found so you can actually see the back of it. The recipient is able to either hang it on a little hook or able to hang it on a nail. And here's another example where I placed several paper flowers in there, but those are actually glued. We're going to take this magnetic flower, and as you see here, I place the flower in the middle, and these magnets are actually a really good strength that I'm able to put the other magnet in the back. And so this gives you the option of having the gift being the actual frame, or if that's just going to decorate a box or be in the bag, they can remove the paper flower again and use it on a different magnetic surface. But here's just a little tip for you today, and hope you enjoy. Make sure that you like and subscribe to 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop for more great paper craft tutorials.